Everyone, I need a little help on something. So this is my 91 Mustang GT that I bought new in 1991. We actually ordered it on my birthday, and 3 months later I got it. So pretty awesome. It was the first year of that green. It was emerald green, what they call deep emerald green, and titanium silver. And it's just really cool. That's my daughter's Mustang right there. Anyway, I've been trying to decide, do I sell it or do I restore it or do I make a drift car out of it? And I really want some feedback. Please answer in the comments. Tell me, what should I do? Should I, 1, sell it, 2, restore it back to original condition, or 3, should I make a drift car out of it? So I've kind of always wanted to get into drifting. Now, what does making a drift car mean? I don't know if I have to cut the car up, which I wouldn't do. But if it's a matter of installing a different brake system, maybe putting a lever in the car for the rear brakes, I get it. You know, lower it, different tires, we'll see. But what should I do with it? Should I sell it, restore it, or make a drift car out of it? So I'd like to know. So let me give you just a little tour inside the car here. You can see it's fresh, factory fresh. Actually, it's not fresh. It's kind of stale. Things are starting to fade, curl up a little bit. Not bad, though. Not bad for a 1991. But you can see the paint. This car's been sitting out in the sun for years, and I haven't done a whole lot with it. And I just really want some help. So, opinion. What do I do? I kind of want to restore it. I want to keep it, and I want to be able to use it, right? So, I know this is not a learning video. Where we normally talk about business, real estate, service, HVAC, the trades industry. But this is something here that I really want some help with. So I'm trying to decide, if I sell the car, I'll reduce my monthly insurance bill by $50. And that's on the insurance side. It's exempt from personal property tax, so there's no issue there. This car would bring probably $4,000 to $5,000. So it's not a ton of money. So do I need $4,000 or $5,000? Well, sure. If I could go out and make it in the next hour, I'd take it. I'd do it. If somebody gave it to me, if I want it, yeah, I'd love it. But selling this car with all of my history and memories with it, it's not worth $4,000 or $5,000. So it wouldn't be a money thing. It would be, am I going to use it? You know, I have my '66 Mustang, my black and gold. And actually, if you look at the banner on the top of my channel, it's the back of the '66. So this one here, I don't know. I kind of want to restore it, honestly. I just really would like some help, and I'd appreciate the feedback. So parts are readily available. That's number one. Sometimes if you try to restore a car it wasn't really popular, and there wasn't a bunch of aftermarket parts rebuilt or built for the car, it's expensive and it's hard to source the parts and the stuff needed to do it. This car here, that's not an issue. They make everything for this car, to my knowledge, every single thing. It runs great. It runs and drives, has 140,000 miles on it, and some of those are hard miles. After the performance parts on the car, the only thing I ever did, I installed a Can-In air filter years ago, which needs to be cleaned, and Flowmaster mufflers, and that's it. I've replaced the brakes in the car once. I put a radiator in it and a water pump and thermostat and spark plugs. That's it. Oh, I did hoses. I did upper and lower radiator hose and a bypass hose whenever I did the radiators and maintenance stuff. So 1991, 140,000 miles. That's it. And it runs and drives great. As a matter of fact, I'm getting ready to take it for a spin right now. So a little help here. What would you do? You know what I've asked. Just let me know in the comments below. Comment. I would really appreciate the feedback. So we shall see. Look forward to a comment. See you.